My brothers and sisters in Siosa, I hope each and every one of you is doing very well. I just want to take this moment to remind you about our upcoming day of fasting, hour of praise and prayers, which will take place this Saturday from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. That will be the praise and prayer period for the event. But I'm also asking each and every one of you to seriously consider fasting for that day, for Siosa, and for everything in our lives. You know, we all profess to love Centennial, and I believe we do. But even faith without action will not go anywhere. Therefore, I'm asking each and every one of us to join hands together, pray for our school, pray for ourselves, and prepare to participate in the upcoming 2016 convention. You know, I have looked at the records, and this is going to be the 12th year when Siosa will be meeting. We have come a long way since July of 2015. And we have a long way to go. There are a lot of challenges ahead, but I also believe the opportunities abound. Our task at hand is to know our purpose and the role each and every one of us would have to play to make Centennial a better place. A few days ago, I was discussing with an old student. And one of the things the old student brought up was that the Centennial you know or you knew years back with this beautiful campus, with its